So my wife asked me today if we could do a video on getting a fireplace to burn a more yellow orange flame. So today that's what I'm going to try to do. We added some embers down here to try to get some color in there, but the fireplace is burning too efficient and too blue, so we're going to try and richen it up a little bit. I'm just showing you what my experience is here. If you're going to make any changes to your fireplace, make sure you consult the professionals. Okay, so before we get going, I want to take a picture of what the log arrangement looks like in there so you can put it back exactly the same. Okay, so I hope I can show this here. Down inside here, we've got a spot here where the air comes in and mixes with the gas for our flame. So we've got too much air. We're just going to choke that back a little bit so that there's less air in there. So you don't want to choke it right off, but we can make a little adjustment and see how it goes. Okay, so we're just kind of looking at the color of the flame here. Got a few yellow tips in there, but it's still mostly blue. Okay, so we're going to adjust it a little bit more. Maybe put it in the middle. Without burning my hand, hopefully. Yeah, we'll try that. Okay. A little bit more here. Okay, we definitely got more color in the flame there. I'm going to go just a little bit more. Definitely got some more yellow in there. It was just about all blue before. One more tiny little bit. That's pretty good. I think we'll try it there. What are you doing there? Oh, you know what? That's funny. Okay, that's what's missing. That's hilarious. Okay. It looks quite a bit more orange and yellow. We'll try it out tonight here and see what it looks like.